Here I have Honor 10X Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes or scan codes like barcodes on this device. So to do this, you have this special feature. Just go to the upper bar. If you don't have this button here, you can tap on this pencil icon and find this scan button here. You can just drag it here and add this, but you can also just use it here. Tap on this button. You will enter this scanner. And now you can just scan codes with this feature. I don't know, let's for example scan, I have this code right here. So as you can see, it's it has this number written on it. Let's try to scan it. And as you can see, it scanned exactly the same number from my barcode here. I'll show you one more time. As you can see, wow, unbelievable. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.